will deploy 1,000 GPS-enabled water tankers across the national capital to boost the water supply for the summer season. Delhi's water tanker mafia crisis is now looking at the possible realm of being resolved. The tankers will be flagged from Nirankari ground in Burari shortly by Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. This initiative is aimed at ensuring the timely and transparent delivery of water to the areas where the pipes water supply is unavailable or unreliable. Delhi's Chief Minister Rekha Gupta said all tankers are now GPS equipped and monitored via Central Command Center. From the 20th of April, that's today, Delhi will see a branded water tanker with flow meters. No more missing tankers, no more excuses is what Delhi Chief Minister has told NewsX in an exclusive interview. Mehendi Kark is joining me live on the broadcast to share more details. Mehendi, as now the tankers being currently dated with the GPS, installed with GPS, will be flagged today. What are you picking up as far as this entire initiative is concerned? How is this going to bring a transformative change in the national capital?
Well, indeed, Simran, it is a major step that has been taken by Delhi government. And right now, we are in the Nirankari ground from where the 1,000 GPS-enabled water tankers will be flagged off today by PWD Minister Parvesh Verma and also CM Rekha Gupta. And we are showing the visuals to our viewers as well from this particular ground where the arrangements have been done. PWD Minister Parvesh Verma is already on stage. He has reached here, and in some time now, Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will be reaching here. Apart from her, all cabinet ministers, the MLAs will also be coming for this big initiative that BJP and the Delhi government will be taking. So the stage is set right now, and on the stage also the posters and the banners are very clear that today Delhi government will flag off around 1,111 water tankers for Delhi, and showing you the visuals from the ground as well, Simran. So the ground is completely filled with the water tankers, waiting to be flagged off today, because this complete ground is the Nirankari ground that is here in the Burari region, and all the water tankers which are GPS installed are waiting here to be flagged off, which will be flagged off by CM Rekha Gupta in some time now. And yes, in an exclusive conversation with NewsX, the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has already mentioned that how this initiative will change the water crisis in the national capital, and not only the water crisis, Simran, but also the problem of the tanker mafia, the problem of the water theft will be resolved from this particular initiative. So the viewers can also see that how now the water tankers, the GPS installed water tankers are all prepared here, all set to be flagged off now. And on all the water tankers, Simran, there is a labeled number. Each and every water tanker has a number which is placed over that tanker as well. We are showing the visuals of the 22nd tanker that is here. Here it is mentioned that it is the 23rd tanker. So yes, the posters and the banners are very clear over these water tankers as well, and the Delhi Jal Board boards are also very evident that has been put up on these tankers, so that the people of the national capital can also understand that all these tankers are working by the Delhi government for the people of Delhi. And the posters and the banners are very clear over the tankers as well, where the Chief Minister photo is there, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi's photo is there, and the Delhi government initiative of installing and enabling GPS tankers has been put up in public platform, and today in some time now CM will be coming here to flag off. So these are the visuals of the Burari ground. You can see, and all the viewers can also see that how this big initiative will be taken place by the Delhi government today.
Yes, well, absolutely. In fact, Mehendi, as you can show us through the visuals, we can see all the tankers who are ready to be flagged off being deployed there ahead of the big flag off by the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta and Delhi Minister Parvesh Verma. Thank you very much for sharing these details. Now, the latest details that we are tracking from Manipur.